everyone. Hope you are doing well today. In this session, I will be presenting an in-depth overview of the F-35 fighter jet, a cutting-edge marvel in modern military aviation. The F-35 Lightning II is not just another fighter jet, it's the embodiment of modern military aviation's future. Designed to be a multi-role stealth fighter, the F-35 represents a significant leap in technology, combining unparalleled stealth capabilities with advanced sensors, weapon systems, and avionics. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the F-35 is poised to dominate the skies for decades to come, serving as a cornerstone of air superiority for the United States and allied nations. The F-35's journey from concept to reality has been a tale of ambition, technological innovation, and persistence in the face of challenges. The aircraft is designed to perform a wide range of missions, including air superiority, ground attack, electronic warfare, and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR). With its advanced capabilities, the F-35 is set to replace older aircraft in the fleets of many nations, providing unmatched versatility and combat effectiveness. The F-35-2 Lightning comes in three variants, each tailored to specific operational needs. The F-35A conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B short takeoff vertical landing, and the F-35C carrier-based operations. Despite their differences, all variants share one core specifications that make the F-35 a formidable force in modern warfare. Design and dimensions. Length 51.4 feet, 15.7 meters. Wingspan 35 feet, 10.7 meters. Height 14.4 feet, 4.4 meters. Maximum takeoff weight 70,000 pounds, 31,800 kilograms. Performance capabilities. Maximum speed Mach 1.6, 1,200 miles per hour or 1,931 kilometers per hour. Combat radius 669 nautical miles, 1,239 kilometers for F-35A. Stealth capabilities. Low observational stealth technology makes the F-35 difficult to detect on radar. Weapon systems capable of carrying a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons, including AIM-120, AMRAAMS, JDAMS, and the GBU-53/B SDB-2. Avionics and sensors. AN/APG-81 AESA radar provides a high-resolution mapping, tracking, and targeting. Distributed Aperture System DAS 360-degree situational awareness and missile detection. Electro-optical targeting system (EOTS) allows for precise targeting and reconnaissance. Variants: the F-35A, the conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) variant, designed for the US Air Force. F-35B, the short takeoff vertical landing STOVL variant, used by the US Marine Corps. F-35C, the carrier variant CV, designed for the US Navy, featuring large wings for carrier operations. Historical background: the origins of the F-35 Lightning II can be traced back to the Joint Strike Fighter JSF program, initiated in the 1990s. The JSF program aimed to develop a family of aircraft that could meet the diverse needs of the US military and its allies, all while being cost-effective and adaptable to future technologies. The JSF program was a competitive effort, with Lockheed Martin's X-35 and Boeing's X-32 vying for the contract. Ultimately, Lockheed Martin's X-35 design was chosen due to its superior performance in key areas, particularly in its ability to meet the unique requirements of the US Navy, Air Force, and Marine Corps. Emotional struggle stories. The development of the F-35 was far from smooth. The program faced numerous challenges, from budget overruns to technological hurdles that threatened to derail the entire project. Engineers and developers worked tirelessly to overcome these obstacles, often under immense pressure to deliver a product that met the high expectations set by the military and political leaders. One particularly challenging aspect was integrating the advanced stealth technology into an aircraft that could also perform a wide range of missions. The team had to innovate continually, pushing the boundaries of what was technology possible. Many personal stories of perseverance emerged during this time, highlighting the dedication and commitment of those involved. Mission stories. The F-35 Lightning has been involved in several significant military operations, demonstrating its effectiveness in real-world combat scenarios. In 2018, the Israeli Air Force became the first to use the F-35 in combat, conducting airstrikes in Syria. The aircraft's stealth capabilities and advanced interceptors allowed it to penetrate heavily defended airspace undetected, striking targets with precision. Since the F-35 has been deployed in various exercises and missions, proving its worth as a versatile and highly capable fighter. Stories from pilots who have flown the F-35 often highlight the aircraft's superior situational awareness and the confidence it inspires in the cockpit. Success and failure stories. While the F-35 has had many successes, it has also faced its share of challenges. Early deployments revealed some issues with software and logistics, leading to delays and additional costs. However, these setbacks were addressed through continuous updates and improvements, showcasing the resilience of the program. Success stories, on the other hand, have been numerous. The F-35's ability to integrate seamlessly into the existing military infrastructure of various nations has been a significant achievement. Its role in modernizing air forces around the world is a testament to its design and capabilities. Innovation and design. The F-35 is a marvel of modern engineering, incorporating cutting-edge technologies that set it apart from previous generations of fighter aircraft. Stealth technology, once a novelty, is now a critical feature, and the F-35's design minimizes its radar signature, making it extremely difficult to detect. Sensor fusion is another area where the F-35 excels. The aircraft can process data from multiple sensors and present it in a coherent way to the pilot, improving situational awareness and decision making. This capability is vital in modern warfare, where information is as critical as firepower. Comprehensive history. The development of the F-35 has been a long and complex journey, with many key milestones along the way. From the initial concept in the 1990s to its first flight in 2006 and its eventual deployment, the F-35 has undergone rigorous testing and refinement. The program has been a collaborative effort, with contributions from several countries, including the United Kingdom, Italy, and Australia. This international cooperation has been essential in ensuring that the F-35 meets the diverse needs of its users. Comparisons with other aircraft. Comparisons with previous generation of fighters. The F-35 Lightning II stands as a testament to the evolution of military aviation, bridging the gap between fourth-generation fighters like the F-16 Fighting Falcon and F/A-18 Hornet and the future of air combat. While the F-16 and F/A-18 have served their respective forces with distinction, the F-35 surpasses them in several key areas. Stealth capabilities. Unlike the F-16 and F/A-18, which rely on speed and maneuverability, the F-35 incorporates advanced stealth technology to evade detection by enemy radar. This capability allows it to operate in heavily defended airspace, a significant air advantage over its predecessors. Sensor fusion. The F-35 integrates data from multiple sensors to provide the pilot with a comprehensive view of the battlefield. This level of situational awareness is unmatched by older aircraft, which typically require pilots to interpret data from individual sensors. Multi-role versatility. While the F-16 and F/A-18 are versatile in their own right, capable of performing a range of missions from air superiority to ground attack, the F-35 is designed from the ground up to excel in all mission profiles, including electronic warfare and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR). Networking capabilities. The F-35 is built for network-centric warfare, capable of sharing data in real time and with other aircraft, ground forces, and naval units. This capability is a significant leap forward from the previous generations, where data sharing was more limited and often required direct communication. Comparison with other modern stealth fighters. The F-35 is often compared to other modern stealth fighters like the F-22 Raptor Russia's Su-57 and China's J-20. Each of these aircraft has its own strengths, but the F-35 is unique in its role as a multi-role fighter jet designed for mass production and global deployment. F-22 Raptor. The F-22 is often considered the F-35's older sibling, focused primarily on air superiority. While the F-22 excels in dogfighting and air dominance due to its unmatched agility and speed, the F-35 offers greater versatility with its ability to perform ground attack, electronic warfare, and ISR missions. The F-35's advanced sensor fusion and network-centric capabilities also provide it with a different set of strengths, particularly in integrating warfare scenarios. Sukhoi Su-57. Russia's Su-57 is another fifth-generation fighter that combines stealth, speed, and advanced avionics. However, the Su-57 has faced numerous challenges, including delays in production and questions about its stealth capabilities compared to Western counterparts. The F-35, on the other hand, has successfully entered mass production and has been adopted by multiple countries, giving it a broader operational footprint. Chengdu J-20. China's J-20 is designed for long-range missions and is believed to prioritize stealth and speed. While the J-20 presents a significant challenge in the Asia-Pacific region, the F-35's superior sensor fusion, data sharing capabilities, and proven combat readiness give it an edge in integrated operations with allied forces. Global impact and strategic importance. The F-35 Lightning II has not only transformed the US military's approach to air combat, but has also had a profound impact on global defense and strategies. As the centerpiece of the Joint Strike Fighter program, the F-35 is designed to be a multi-role aircraft that can meet the diverse needs of various military branches and allied nations. Role in NATO and allied forces. One of the most significant aspects of the F-35 program is its role in strengthening NATO and allied forces. The F-35's widespread adoption by countries across Europe, the Asia Pacific, and the Middle East has created a unified force capable of seamless integration in joint operations. The ability of multiple nations to operate the same platform signifies logistics, training, and mission planning, creating a formidable coalition that can respond quickly to emerging threats. The F-35's interoperability with other NATO systems further enhances its strategic value. For instance, its ability to communicate and share data with other platforms, such as the Aegis missile defense system or AWACS surveillance aircraft, allows for coordinated actions across different branches and nations. This level of integration is crucial for maintaining air superiority in contested environments and deterring potential adversaries. Impact on global defense strategies. The F-35 program is one of the most expensive defense projects in history, with a total estimated cost of over $1.5 trillion USD over its lifetime. This figure includes research and development, production, and long-term sustainment. The sheer scale of the program has had significant economic implications, both positive and negative. Development cost and budget analysis. The F-35's development has been marked by several budget overruns and delays, leading to criticism and scrutiny from government officials, watchdog groups, and the media. Initially, estimates for the program were far lower than the final cost, driven by the complexity of integrating cutting-edge technologies into a single platform that could meet the needs of multiple military branches. Despite these challenges, the F-35's proponents argue that the costs were justified by the aircraft's capabilities and the strategic advantages it provides. They also point to the economies of scale achieved through the production of over 3,000 units, which are expected to lower the per unit cost over time. Economic impact on defense, contractors, and supply chains. The F-35 program has had a profound impact on the defense industry, supporting hundreds of thousands of jobs across the United States and in partner nations. Lockheed Martin, as the prime contractor, has been identified significantly from the program, with the F-35s becoming a central part of its business. The program's extensive supply chain includes companies from over 45 US states and partner countries, contributing to local economies and fostering technological innovation. The need to meet the F-35's stringent requirements has pushed suppliers to develop new manufacturing processes, materials, and technologies, many of which have applications beyond military aviation. Cost per aircraft and financial considerations for partner nations. One of the most debated aspects of the F-35 program is the cost per aircraft. Initially, the F-35's price was criticized for being too high, with estimates ranging from 120 million USD to 150 million USD per unit. However, as production has ramped up, the cost has increased, with recent estimates placing it closer to 80 million USD to 90 million USD per unit for the F-35A variant. For partner nations, the financial considerations extend beyond the purchase price. Operating and maintaining the F-35s also involves significant expenses, particularly given the aircraft's sophisticated systems and the need for continuous software updates. Despite these costs, many countries view the F-35 as a worthwhile investment, given its capabilities and the strategic advantages it offers. Internal adoption and export. The F-35 Lightning II is not just an American fighter, it is a global platform. The aircraft has been adopted by numerous countries, each bringing its own set of requirements and expectations to the program. The international collaboration has been a cornerstone of the F-35's success, ensuring its relevance across different theaters of operations. Countries currently operating the F-35. The F-35 has been adopted by a growing list of countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, It's Italy, Israel, Japan, South Korea, Australia, the Netherlands, Norway, and Denmark. Each of these nations has integrated the F-35 into their air forces, often replacing older aircraft and modernizing their military capabilities. United Kingdom. The UK operates both the F-35B for the Royal Navy's aircraft carriers and the F-35A, making it a key player in European defense. The UK's involvement in the program has also included significant contributions to the aircraft's development, particularly in areas like avionics and stealth technologies. Israel was the first country to use the F-35s in combat, and it has quickly become a central part of the Israeli Air Force's strategy. Israel's F-35s are also believed to include unique modifications tailored to the country's specific operational needs. Japan and South Korea. Both Japan and South Korea have adopted the F-35 as a key component of their defense and strategies in the Asia-Pacific region, where tensions in North Korea and China make air superiority a critical priority. Orders and deliveries to partner nations. The F-35 program has seen steady orders and deliveries, with over 600 aircraft delivered as of 2024. The program's scale and complexity mean that deliveries are staggered, with some countries receiving their aircraft earlier based on production schedules and operational needs. Japan has ordered over 140 F-35s, making it one of the largest non-US operators. The country's decision to purchase the F-35 was driven by the need to counter regional threats and modernize its air force. International adoption and export continued. Australia has committed to acquiring 72 F-35A aircraft, with the potential for additional orders in the future. The Royal Australian Air Force (RAAF) has fully embraced the F-35 as a replacement for its aging F/A-18 Hornet fleet, with plans to achieve full operational capability by the mid-2020s. The F-35's advanced capabilities are seen as crucial for maintaining air superiority in Asia-Pacific region, where Australia faces potential strategic challenges. Australia's involvement in the F-35 program has also included significant industrial participation. Australian companies have been integrated into the global F-35 supply chain, contributing components such as versatile tails, avionics, and composite structures. This collaboration not only supports the RAAF's capabilities but also strengthens Australia's air defense industry. Challenges and controversies in exporting the F-35. The international export of the F-35 has not been without its challenges and controversies. One of the primary concerns have been the security of the aircraft's sensitive technologies, particularly its stealth capabilities and advanced avionics. To address these concerns, the US government has imposed strict export controls and security measures to ensure that the F-35's technologies do not fall into the wrong hands. Another challenge has been the differing operational requirements and political considerations of partner nations. For example, Turkey was initially a significant partner in the F-35 program, with plans to acquire over 100 aircraft. However, Turkey's purchase of the Russian S-400 missile defense system has led to concerns about the security of the F-35 stealth technology, resulting in the country's removal from the program in 2019. This decision had significant diplomatic and economic repercussions, highlighting to the complexities of managing such a large, diverse international program. Despite these challenges, the F-35 has continued to attract interest from new countries, with potential future customers including Finland, Switzerland, and the United Arab Emirates. Each of these nations sees the F-35 as a critical component of their future defense strategies, reflecting the aircraft's broad appeal and strategic value. Future upgrades and modifications. The F-35 program is not static. It is designed to evolve over time to meet emerging threats and operational needs. Future upgrades and modifications to the F-35 will ensure that it remains at the cutting edge of military aviation for decades to come. Planned software and hardware upgrades. One of the most significant aspects of the F-35's future evolution is the continuous improvement of its software. The F-35's innovation mission system are driven by complex software that integrates its sensors, weapons, and communications. As new threats emerge, the software is regularly updated to enhance the aircraft's capabilities. Block 4 upgrade. The Block 4 upgrade is a comprehensive software and hardware enhancement that will significantly expand the F-35's capabilities. This upgrade includes new weapon integration, improved electronic warfare capabilities, and enhanced data fusion. Block 4 will also improve the F-35's computing power, allowing it to process and share more information in real time. Weapon system. Future upgrades will also see the integration of new weapon systems, such as the AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile (JATM), which is expected to replace the AIM-120 AMRAAM as the primary air-to-air missile for the F-35. The integration of advanced air-to-ground munitions, such as hypersonic missiles, is also under consideration. Potential for new variants. While the F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C variants cover a broad range of operational needs, there is potential for new variants to be developed in the future. This could include specialized versions for electronic warfare, long-range strike, and even unmanned variants that leverage the F-35's advanced sensors and data fusion capabilities. The F-35D. There has been speculations about the development of an F-35D variant that could incorporate even more advanced stealth features, improved engines, and enhanced avionics. Such a variant would likely be tailored to meet the evolving needs of the US Air Force and its allies, ensuring that the F-35s remain relevant in the face of new challenges. Unmanned capabilities. The future may also see the integration of unmanned capabilities into the F-35 platform. This could involve the development of unmanned F-35 variant or the integration of drone swarms that operate in conjunction with manned F-35s. Such advancements would enhance the F-35's operational flexibility and reduce risk to pilots in high-threat environments. Training and simulation. Training the next generation of F-35s pilot and maintenance crews is a critical component of the program's success. Given the complexity of the aircraft's its systems, advanced training methods and simulation technologies are employed to ensure that personnel are fully prepared for operational missions. Media coverage and criticism. The media coverage of the F-35's program has been extensive, reflecting its significance in military aviation and its status as one of the most ambitious defense projects in history. Media reports have highlighted both the program's successes and its challenges, often focusing on issues such as cost delays and technical problems. Noise pollution and mitigation measures. The F-35 has been a source of noise pollution concerns, particularly around military bases and training areas. The high thrust of its engine, especially during takeoff, generates significant noise levels, which has led to complaints from communities near air bases. In response, the US Department of Defense and Lockheed Martin have explored various noise mitigation measures. Security and cyber threats. In today's interconnected world, cybersecurity is a critical concern for any advanced military system, and the F-35 Lightning II is no exception. The F-35's reliance on sophisticated software, networked communication, and data sharing capabilities make it a prime target for cyber threats. Ensuring the security of the F-35 system is essential to maintaining its operational effectiveness and protecting sensitive information. Technological spin-offs and innovations. The F-35 Lightning II program has not only advanced military aviation but has also contributed significantly to the broader field of aerospace engineering and technology. The innovations developed for the F-35 have led to technological spin-offs that benefit both the defense sector and civilian industries. These advancements have a far-reaching impact, driving progress in various fields beyond military applications. Conclusion. The F-35 Lightning II represents a monumental achievement in the evolution of military aviation, combating cutting-edge technology with a level of versatility and capability that has set new standards for fighter aircraft worldwide. Its development has been a story of ambition, innovation, and perseverance, marked by both successes and challenges that have shaped the program into one of the most significant defense projects in history. As the F-35 program continues to mature, it will undoubtedly face new challenges and opportunities. However, its foundation of international collaboration, technological innovation, and strategic foresight ensures that the F-35 will remain a critical component of the world's most advanced military forces, shaping the future of air combat and influencing its design to the next generation of fighter aircraft. In the end, the F-35 Lightning II is more than just an aircraft. It is a testament to what can be achieved when nations come together to push the boundaries of what is possible in defense technology. It embodies the spirit of innovation, the commitment to maintaining peace and security, and the pursuit of excellence that define modern military aviation. The story of the F-35 is still being written, but its impact on the world will be felt for generations to come. Thank you guys. If you like the information, the overview, please support me by liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting on my YouTube channel and the videos, and my other social media channels: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.